Let me show you how to make a modular origami cube that works beautifully as a gift box. For this project, you'll need 24 square papers in any colors you like, as long as they're all the same size. Start by folding one square in half. Open it, then fold both sides toward the center crease. Rotate the paper, and fold the shorter edge diagonally over the longer edge. Repeat this on the opposite side in the opposite direction. Open the folds. You'll see a small triangle forming in the top right corner. Fold the right and lower edges along that triangle, unfold, and tuck the crease underneath. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now you have two triangles facing opposite directions. Fold the horizontal edges inward to lock them in place. You should now have a diamond shape. Flip the paper over and make one more crease across the center. That's it, one module is ready. Repeat this for all 24 papers. To assemble the cube, take 3 modules in different colors and connect them as shown. Do this until you have 8 groups. Then connect the groups in pairs. And continue step by step until one half of the cube is complete. Make the second half the same way. And finally join both halves by inserting the tabs into the opposite side. Now your beautiful modular cube is ready. You can use it as a unique handmade gift box, perfect for Valentine's Day. For more origami models and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Heartsuit.